A igloo full of snow on a white stone. House full of niggas, son. It's so lonely at the top, plus it's real cold. A house full of breathtaking, and it's on 6, aka no.
Middle of the winter, I pull up in a vert. It's the middle of December, she pulled up in a skirt. Santa Claus of the hood, I pull up with the work. They call me East Atlanta Santa, run up on me, get murked. I'm just trapping through the snow, selling 9 heifer bricks in 4 ways. Over the hills we go, got an extendo and an 8. I'm a neighborhood philanthropist. I'm selling bells, preaching like an evangelist, but I don't with amateurs. I draw spiders, yeah, tarantulas. My diamonds are immaculate. I'm not on no romantic, but I'm cooking candlelit. I'm so trio, can't handle it, but damn it, don't unface and look. Cause walk ain't no basic. The teacher teaching arithmetic, show you how to whip a brick, learn you how you run your clip, and told you how to kill a snake. My Yanko, she a freaky chick, but damn she on this sneak. Ran out with a half a zip, and now I gotta slap a trick. All these record labels broke as Ricky Dicky Ruckers. I sell more down a Mexican, my dog food, yeah, it's excellent. Only started selling Christmas tree, I'm trying to jingle bells. It's Christmas time, it's Hollis Queen, I'm stomping in my shell toes. Christmas time in 96, I X out for 12 goals. When I grew up, got gifts to give, but I don't with 12 though.